Hello, everybody. It's Marty, the JavaScript party, and I'm doing one of my quick short 3JS videos. Ow, dang, smushed my hand. All right. So basically, all I just asked ChatGPT to generate this file for me, generate this function for me, get gear mesh, and this is what it came up with. It makes a lot of sense. It's a little bit more mathy than what I am interested in. Falling edge, flat top of tooth, outside edge, root radius. So, like, I guess it divides up the number of segments. So we have 6 segments, and then switch segment, case one. Okay, and then we take the modulus segment of the segment, and if we, oh, that's interesting. So if it's 0, if the remainder is 0, then it's going to set the radius to whatever the root radius is. So I'm guessing that's the internal one. And then if it's case 1, it's going to set the radius to the outer radius. And then if it's case 2, it's also going to set the radius to the outer radius. And then if it's case 3, it's going to set it to the inner radius. And then otherwise, it's going to set it to the root radius. And then it's going to move to these spots. Oh, and I guess when it does that, it moves it. Anyways, and then it gave me, by default, it gave me this, which was just for a flat gear, but I actually wanted a 3-dimensional gear. Let's reload here. I think it's done being created. Pretty sweet. I really like seeing it on the. It's kind of fun to watch it spin around this way. These will probably be a lot of fun once we get a physics engine going. But anyway, so that's that. I played around with the heights and widths and all that. I felt like this one would actually work, I think. That would be another thing with the radius. I mean with the with the physics engine, we could actually, try these gears out on each other, like have like 4 or 5 of these things and see how they interact with each other, see if it works right and all that. I mean, I don't know if that means it works, but anyways. So at this point, I think that the code is pretty darn like easy to understand. It's pretty like there's not a whole lot there's a little bit in the math that's just kind of like, I don't know, this does something. But for the most part, it's pretty clear. So I think this is probably the best time to kind of see if I can export this to an STL file. And then maybe I can email the STL file and get it mailed back or something. Or maybe I can email it to my local UPS. I live in a pretty urban and pretty highly technical area, so if there is stuff around, we would probably have it. But anyways, so that is it. Happy coding, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Bye.